This is Boo Boo eating mangoes and kiwi. And she's not sure she really likes that. Here you go. Is it sour? Is that sour? It's different, isn't it? Is that different? That tastes different. See, that's not nanners. Not sure if we really like that, huh? You like it? Ooh, it's good. She's like, ooh, it's good. Okay, bye-bye for now.